Last week, I bought this Cadillac Escalade for $2,500 from Facebook Marketplace. I made a whole video about that if you want to see how I pulled that off. After I got it, the only issue was that it was overheating because the thermostat was completely missing. But once I replaced that for 30 bucks, it was good as new. Or so I thought. A few days after driving it, I got a P0011 code, meaning that the timing chain or whatever is ahead of what the car wants it to be. The issue could be one of three things. It could be a bad VVT solenoid, a camshaft actuator, or a camshaft position sensor. I watched several tutorials online, and it didn't seem like a super hard fix. The thing about it, with this car, they have all three of these things hidden behind the water pump, so literally everything has to come off. But I think I could pull this off. So this guy right here is seized up on the tensioner. I'm about to cut the belt, and then we're going to replace the tensioner and the belt. Might as well, we're already here. Also, later on, I'll be taking the Escalade to get his first full tank of premium gas, if you want to watch me suffer.
Wait, stop! Stop! Stop!
Alright, so that's one of the things I'm about to replace. I'm gonna remove these 3 bolts. This thing definitely hasn't been changed since the car came out. Like, ew. Here's where the problems start. Take a look at the bottom bolt. It's already stripped, meaning that someone already tried fixing this exact issue. For the last 3 hours, I've been stuck on just this bolt right here. That was the only bolt that was rounded out. Got a couple more tools. Let me see if I can get this off. After about 24 hours of dealing with this, we finally moved it like a millimeter. And this is the tool I got it done. I mean, not done. We're still gonna keep playing with it. Finally. It's actually coming out. Oh my god, look at it. Yo, final spins. Oh my god. It wasn't even that bad on the other side, but you just couldn't even get to it. But look how rounded out it is. Oh my god. And somebody was doing this before me because I found it rounded out. If I'm doing everything right, it should pop right out. There, we got it. I can't tell if it works or not, but we're gonna replace it because look how rusted out it is. Ew. I tried removing the VVT solenoid. It was so seized up, it would not budge, and I did not want to break anything. Because it was still clicking and it was still mechanical, I made the risk of leaving it in there, hoping that that was not the issue. But we'll have to wait till later to find out if that's true or not. Our last suspect for the issue is this sensor right here. From what I've seen everywhere online, it never comes out. It basically just rots in there, it will not come out no matter what. So this may take a little bit longer than I would like. Oh my god. Yes. It's sliding out. Ah, yes. It's really coming out finally. Okay. Did we get it? No way. Oh my god. It's finally out. I don't get why they make them like this. This is the thing from yesterday. These 2 things right here made this whole project like 4 days long. I know some of the mechanics out there are gonna hate me for this, but basically here's what's happening. This guy right here, that bolt is broken off. And I tried getting it out, use a distractor and all that, it did not come out, so I'm not even bothering with it. This thing is already in there, so what I'm gonna do now is... What am I doing? Why is this so funny though? It's the next day. Not one of my proudest moments, but I gotta say, it does work. I think it's not coming off. I'm just bolting this thing up and then putting it back together. While everything's coming back together, I just wanted to take the time to get on my knees and beg you to hit that like button. It really does mean a lot. I just finished putting the water pump back together.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it was seized up, so I couldn't put the old one on. Well, we'll see. I don't know. This whole time doing everything, I don't know if it's gonna work or not.
You took a lot of gas, huh?
Oh yeah. It takes 11 miles per gallon. Sometimes it goes out to like 8 or 9. Yeah, it's pretty bad.
Well, I'll see you later.
All right, man. I'll see you. is gonna be my first time turning on the car in a whole week. The coolant is already gone. All right, take two. It's the next day. No lights came back on, but there is a chance it may come back on. We don't know 100% that it's fixed yet. When I had my whole thing opened up, I was definitely messy with everything. Dirt and stuff definitely got inside the engine. And just so I don't damage anything in the engine, I'm gonna get an oil change. But first, let me see how much it is at Cadillac.
Thank you for calling Cadillac. This is how can I help you?
Yeah, how you doing? I'm just trying to get a...
Okay, yeah, it's 159 plus tax.
159 plus tax, right?
So it comes to like 180. Yeah, it comes to like 180.
Hell no. $180. You know what we about to do, bro? Crazy. And just like that, we are now done. They were out trying to charge me 180. Like, I'm trying to prove to y'all, like, no matter what they got, you could buy way better oil. These both right here cost me $27. Way better than anything they could ever give you. Most expensive filter and a gasket. Everything here came out to about $43. It's a little messy. You save yourself like $140. That's actually crazy. I'll take the car for a spin, but I want to see what the boys think of this thing.
Yeah, it's him, it's him.
Bro, what the
Yes, sir. You're moving up in life. Oh, damn. You know what the gas is at? It's like that. Right here. Let's go to Sunoco. Because I want to get a full tank. I don't see how much it'll cost me. I'll put your seatbelt in, kids.
Is there blood on this seatbelt, though?
Hey, what's that?
But I've been working on this thing for the last like 3 weeks. Basically, there was 3 things I was supposed to change. And I changed 2 of it because I couldn't get the 3rd one out. And I've been driving this thing for 2 weeks. And no issues. So it worked. We got a gamble and it worked.
No, the sun.
Yo, it's a side truck. Oh, hell no. He's gonna race it.
Are you mogging this?
Sunoco's low-key the most expensive gas too.
It's that premium gas.
Like me.
What?
So you know the backup camera too.
Oh,
That's what I'm saying.
That's better than mine.
Oh, for real?
I ain't got one, baby.
Alright, I'll see how much this gas will cost us. No cable.
No cable.
$3.99 a gallon. Alright, how much y'all think it'll cost? Full tank.
I'm saying.
You said 80? What do you think?
I said 92.
92?
Yeah.
What are you thinking? For full
95.
tank? $95. I'm gonna say 85.
Yeah, I mean, you might know the car more. I don't know.
It's filled with love and happiness and whatever.
Oh, bro, damn. Yeah.
I guess it isn't that long.
You good, bro?
My first time.
Yeah. You're getting too excited, pal.
That's 3 rows. That's a solid 3 rows.
Here, hop in this seat, right? The far right button, press it. Press that thing.
Oh, damn, bro, you're gonna kill me.
Oh, wow, keep on watching it. Oh, shit. I can really get in the back. You want to get a little, wait, what?
Hey, what do you mean by that?
All right, wait, back to
Oh, yeah. Are we even halfway?
Please stop. 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 Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
yo, wait.
Hang on, I'm not that mad.
Damn.
Hellcat size. Hellcat's 6.2 too.
Damn, that thing is big.
That's what I'm saying. It's a. I put the whole water pump out, replace literally everything here.
Hello!
Yo, whose man's is this?
I coming in. That'd be the perfect.
Hey, hit those bikes over there. No, I was jumping. God damn.